Before starting on Challenge 1, let's do an overview of the calculator keyboard and user interface. To turn on the calculator, press the On key with the house symbol in the upper right corner of the keyboard. Pressing the On key will bring you to the home screen of the calculator. The home screen is the jumping off point for accessing and managing your TI-Nspire document files. TI-Nspire documents can have several pages. You set up the pages to include apps. The apps include Calculator, Grapher, Spreadsheet, Program Editor, and more. My Documents allows you to view and manage your saved documents. Current returns you to the document that you currently have open. We will start a new document in the next video. First, let's do a tour of the keyboard. I will point out the zones of the keyboard and highlight some of the keys that you will use frequently when entering the programs. The keyboard has 3 zones: the bottom for alpha entry, the middle for math entry, the top for navigation, input, and document management. First, let's look at the bottom alpha entry zone. The keys are in ABC order because of exam agency rules. The space key is on the lower right. The comma is on the lower left. The key with the question mark brings up a menu of characters, including the colon and degree symbol. The shift key for capital letters is in the top zone of the calculator. The middle zone of the keyboard is for math entry. Enter in the lower right corner is used to select from menus and to submit commands to the calculator, among other things. Parentheses are in the lower left. Equal as a comparison operator is in the upper left. Other comparison operators are on a control function menu of the equal key. Quotes for entering text strings are available as a control function of the multiply key. Colon equal for assigning values to variables is the control function of the math template key. The key with the book symbol is the catalog. All the functions of the calculator are available from the catalog menus. The top zone is for navigation, input, and document management. The blue control key gives you access to all of the control functions on the keyboard labeled in blue. Press and release the control key, then select the key under the blue label. Many common computer shortcuts are available on the TI-Nspire. For example, Control-C, Control-V, Control-S, and the very useful Control-Z for undo. Escape in the upper left allows you to back out of menus and dialogues. The On key turns on the calculator and returns you to the home screen. The control function of the On key turns the calculator off. The menu key is very important for bringing up the functions of each app. The delete key is a destructive backspace. The touchpad area in the center is used in 2 ways. When you click on the edges, you get the action of arrow keys to move left, right, up, and down. Arrows are very useful for navigating menus and for editing text in a program. You can use the touchpad area to control a pointer as on a laptop touchpad. I recommend using your index finger on the surface of the touchpad. You can select with the pointer by doing a center click. Now that we have completed a tour of the keyboard, we are ready to start a new document, which we will start in the next video.